चलिए, now the next experiment, right? That's a Hershey and Chase experiment. Year 1952. Griffith year 1928. Avery McLeod McCarthy year 44. And this one, Hershey and Chase. Which one? 1952. This experiment we call blender experiment also. Which one? You know, घर पे हम blender use करते हैं. This thing over here used. That's why the name given is a which one? Blender experiment. Clear? If anyone asks, explain, right? That's the experiment that gives us unequivocal proof that DNA is only the genetic material. Which experiment? Hershey and Chase experiment. Clear? Now, Hershey and Chase experiment, they have worked very smartly over here, right? If you think about that, one is a DNA, other is a protein. अगर हमें उसको segregate करना है, which one get enter into the cell, so we have to first think about their structure. When you see the DNA structure, right? तो DNA में कौन से elements आते? कार्बन होगा DNA में? Yes or no? Nitrogen basis के structure, sugar, isn't it? Carbon is there. Hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphate. Yes or no? Right? CHONP इतने हैं. This for which one? DNA. Next, in case of proteins, amino acid में कौन से element? First, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Other than that, nitrogen. Amino group NH आ गया. Other than that, what is present? You know, sulfur containing 2 amino acids are there. Can you recall? Very good. Very good. Cysteine. Cytosine नहीं है. Which one? Cytosine लिखा होता तो? Cytosine is what? Nitrogen base. Cytosine is a nitrogen base. Cysteine is an amino acid. Methionine. Right? So, in this one, that cysteine and methionine, they are sulfur containing amino acids. Which one? Sulfur containing amino acids. So यहाँ पे एक sulfur ऐड हुआ, तो क्या मेजर डिफरेंस आ रहा है? बाकी सब एलिमेंट्स तो सेम ही है. Yes or no? In case of DNA, phosphate. In case of protein, sulfur. Sulfate, right? So now they use this thing over here. They did what? That they made phosphorus, right, in a radioactive form. Phosphorus को कौन से फॉर्म में चेंज किया? Radioactive form. And that radioactive form बोलते हैं P32. Which one? P32, right? And sulfur के लिए जो है, that is S35. Which one? S35. First learn this, because students do what? S32, P35. वहां से ही पूरा एक्सपेरिमेंट रॉन्ग, आगे चेक ही नहीं होगा आपका. क्लियर? P32 and S35, they are heavy isotope or radioactive? Radioactive word is there. Which one? Radioactively labeled. P32 and S35 here they have used. Clear? पहले समझ में आया कि क्यों फॉस्फोरस एंड सल्फर ही सिलेक्ट किया? बिकॉज दैट इज द मेजर डिफरेंस, right, between that DNA and the proteins. Understood? Now, next is a which one? For that first, you know bacteriophage? Viruses, isn't it, right? So bacteriophage, in that the DNA is there, है ना? वायरस का स्ट्रक्चर कोई बताएगा मुझे? वायरस स्ट्रक्चर कहाँ पे? येलो कलर इज विच वन? दिस वन इज कैप्सिड. कैप्सिड इज मेड अप ऑफ व्हाट? प्रोटीन्स. और ये प्रोटीन्स में, कैप्सिड में क्या प्रेजेंट है? सल्फर, राइट? तो जो कोट है, कोट को किससे लेबल्ड किया है? S35, राइट? कोट को किससे लेबल्ड किया है? S35. Understood? So Hershey and Chase grew some kind of this bacteriophages, right? In a which medium? S35. So that हर एक के after some time when they observed, they observed what over here in their capsid protein coat, that now what is present over here? S35. ऐसे बहुत सारे उन्होंने bacteriophages grow किए, right? This is the first culture plate. Second culture plate they prepared, and in that other, that's the bacteriophages are taken, right? In which here what is present? DNA. Okay. Now in this part, that DNA में क्या main है? Phosphate. So here the culture plate is there, that is provided with the which one? P32. Which one? P32. Right? So phosphate P32 medium में ये bacteriophages को grow करा है. So after some time, right, when they divide 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4 like that, one that once they divide, here in that all bacteriophages, they observed what, which thing is present? P32. So two culture plates are made, one for P32 and other for the which one? S35. समझ में आया? So bacteriophages को पहले उन्होंने ऐसे रेडियो एक्टिवली लेबल्ड किए, one with colony that's P32, other with the which one? S35. ये step clear है? Next step, now after that they had taken, that's the E. coli bacteria. Which bacteria? E. coli. So E. coli bacteria over here taken, right? E. coli bacteria, in that first जो यहाँ पे bacteriophage, right? This experiment, in that 3 steps were there. First, infection. First step is the which one? Infection. Second, that's the blending. Which one? Blending. And third step, that is centrifugation. Which are the 3 steps? First one? Infection, blending, centrifugation. Very, very important experiment, this one. First, which one? Infection, blending. Now, यहाँ पे क्यों ये बैक्टीरियोफेजेस को लिया होगा उन्होंने? बाकी कोई बैक्टीरिया वायरस नहीं ले सकते? Bacteriophages are the virus that can infect the bacteria, that can transfer their genetic material to bacteria. समझ में आ रहा है? The logic behind that these organisms are selected, yes or no? So E. coli bacteria, right? They have taken E. coli bacteria, and with that, which one? Bacteriophages. Now, first अगर हम यहाँ की बात करें in this part, consider ये bacteriophages जो है वो S35 से labeled है. Which one? S35, right? S35 present where? In capsid or DNA? Capsid, right? Then Hershey and Chase given some time that bacteriophages infect, right, attach the bacteria and transfer their genetic material, right? Transfer what? Their genetic material. Clear? उनको भी नहीं पता था कि कौन होगा, प्रोटीन से आएगा, पूरा का पूरा बैक्टीरियोफेज एंटर होगा या ओनली सम पार्ट गेट एंटर, राइट? दे जस्ट डिड दिस थिंग, राइट? सो नाउ फर्स्ट यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? ब्लू कलर इज व्हाट? डीएनए, राइट? ब्लू कलर इज व्हाट? डीएनए. डीएनए ट्रांसफर हो गया. नाउ सेकेंड कॉलोनी जो उन्होंने प्रिपेयर की, अगेन ई कोलाई बैक्टीरिया. नेक्स्ट, that's the bacteriophages and allow the infection. In that, which one now get radioactively labeled? P32. DNA get transferred after infection. Next, once the infection, that particular period gets over, then they use blender machine. They used what? Blender machine with proper that RPM, you know RPM, rotation per minute, right? That much only RPM they use so that why bacteriophage and bacteria can separate it from each other, right? Due to that blending, agitation occur, and due to agitation समझ में आता है mixing. Agitation meaning what? Mixing. So due to that agitation, bacteriophage and bacteria get separated from each other. Clear? तो फर्स्ट स्टेप में यहाँ पे एक्चुअली क्या किया? इन्फेक्शन. सेकेंड स्टेप इन दैट्स अ ब्लेंडिंग. सो ब्लेंडिंग जब किया तब क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? बैक्टीरियोफेज एंड सी मुझे डीएनए कहाँ पे ड्रॉ करना चाहिए? इन दैट बैक्टीरियोफेज और शुड बी द इक्वल? बैक्टीरियोफेज और बैक्टीरिया. सो आप भी जब ड्रॉ करो तब याद रखना, राइट? सो वन थिंग, DNA should be over here. Clear? ये step, see that first attach, now the gap, right? Due to which step? Blending, right? Blending cause agitation. Due to agitation, bacteriophage and bacteria get separated from each other. Now the next one. After that, the third step is a which one? Centrifugation. Which one? Centrifugation. सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन मशीन के बारे में आपको पहले पता है? सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन मशीन्स होते हैं, पॉज बोलेगा गया. सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन दैट वर्क्स ऑन डेंसिटी बेस्ड ग्रेडियंट. क्या है? डेंसिटी बेस्ड ग्रेडियंट. सो हैवी पार्टिकल्स दैट यू विल गेट एट इन द अपर पोर्शन और लोअर, हैवी पार्टिकल्स गेट सेटल डाउन. अभी स्कूल लेवल पे तो नहीं है, आप जब कॉलेज में एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करोगे, राइट, दैट्स अ डिसर्टेशन वर्क होता है, रिसर्च वर्क. ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम यू कैन यूज दैट सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन मशीन्स, राइट, दैट रोटेट एट अ वेरी हाई स्पीड, राइट? सिंपल, अगर ब्लड है, यू नो ब्लड में कितना प्लाज्मा है, ब्लड सेल्स है, तो भी क्या करना है? तो ब्लड लेके दैट इसको क्या करते हैं? सेंट्रीफ्यूगेट. सो ब्लड सेल्स आर हैवी compared to the liquid, yes or no? So blood cells get settled down. Upper liquid portion we call, that's a which one? उसको supernatant बोलेंगे. Which one? Supernatant. Here I am going to use two words. Upper portion जो रहेगा that we call supernatant. Which one? Supernatant. In lower जो होता है उसको palate बोलते हैं. Which one? Palate. Clear? So now centrifugation machines rotate at a very faster speed. Second, that works on which principle? डेंसिटी बेस्ड ग्रेडियंट, राइट? जो हाई डेंसिटी वाले कहां पे होंगे? बॉटम. एंड ग्रेजुअली एज एंड व्हेन यू मूव अपवर्ड, लोअर डेंसिटी. सो डेंसिटी बेस्ड ग्रेडियंट. क्लियर है? यस और नो? नाउ टेल मी. तो ये जो है पूरा बैक्टीरिया एंड बैक्टीरियोफेजेस जो कल्चर मीडियम में है, उसको डेंसिटी बेस्ड ग्रेडियंट से सेंट्रीफ्यूगेट कर रहे हैं, तो आपको बॉटम में क्या मिलेगा? बैक्टीरिया और बैक्टीरियोफेजेस, राइट? You get the bacteria over here in this part, yes or no? है ना? And the bacteriophage is in which part? Supernatant, over here. Clear? Now एक different color से अभी मैं टैग कर रही हूँ. In that, here which one get radioactively labeled? S, हाँ, S35, 32. In which part? Protein or DNA? Protein. So that should be present over here. Yes or no? Clear? Second, over here, which one gets radioactively labeled? P32. In which part? DNA. So that should be present in बैक्टीरिया, राइट? वो कहाँ पे मिला? एक्चुअली उनको बैक्टीरिया में. सो बैक्टीरिया में क्या गया? प्रोटीन कोट या फिर डीएनए? डीएनए. That gives the unequivocal proof that DNA has the property that can transfer from one cell to the other, right? One organism to other, that can change, that can enter and shows their phenotype. Yes or no? So P32 when they detected, right, in this culture plate, तो ये सुपरनेंट है या पैलेट? पैलेट. दिस वन इज, दिस वन, दिस वन. सो जहां पे S35 कॉलोनीज थी, विच वन? S35 कॉलोनीज. इन दैट In supernunt or pallet, they got that that's a radioactively labeled as supernunt में मिला, right? Meaning वो अभी भी bacteriophage के पास है. But when the P32 colonies that get centrifugated with the E. coli, then they got what? Pellet. In bacteria that radioactive. Actual वो DNA कहाँ पे था radioactively labeled in bacteriophage. But अभी कहाँ पे मिला? बैक्टीरिया को थोड़ी रेडियो एक्टिवली लेबल किया था, वो कौन था? बैक्टीरियोफेज. अंडरस्टूड? सो दैट थिंग रिवील दैट डीएनए ओनली, जो उसका जेनेटिक मटेरियल है, दैट्स द व्हिच वन? डीएनए दैट कैन चेंज द फिनोटाइप, दैट कैन ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम वन टू अदर. Clear? And that's why we call it a unequivocal proof that DNA is only the what? Genetic material, not the protein. RNA के बारे में अभी नहीं है. Which one? DNA and protein. Clear? फिर आप बोलोगे RNA भी तो है. Yes, RNA also the genetic material for some organism. Clear? Here the discussion, doubts between which two macromolecules? DNA and proteins. तो ये clear हो गया. Which should be the genetic material? Who had given unequivocal proof? Maratha, Halsey and the Chase, right? Next one, that's a transforming principle given by Frederick Griffith. Which year? 1990. Right? He started this work. He used which organism? Pneumonia, right? That bacterial strains injected into mice. Which combination that leads to further investigation? R strain and it kills S strain, right? Because यहाँ पे actual expected क्या था? Mice will survive, but क्या हो गया? Mice will die. So that he concluded what? Something transfer from R strain. फिर उसको फर्दर बायोकेमिकल एनालिसिस किसने किया? एवेरी, मैक्लियोड, मैकार्टी. कौन तीन है? एवेरी, मैक्लियोड, मैकार्टी, right? They did further biochemical characterization of this thing, and they also, right, told us what? DNA or protein or RNA? Which should be the DNA, right? Which experiment they had performed? They did what? Separate out that chemicals, macromolecules, DNA, protein and RNA from heat killed S, right? And observe whether R strain become virulent or not. Again, same kind of experiment they have performed by using what? Enzymes. Protein digesting, RNA digesting, DNA digesting. So जब DNA use किया तब mice क्या हुआ? Survive, because DNA ही damage था, कोई characters नहीं. Clear? Next, but उन्होंने ये तो statement दिया DNA should be the genetic material. Again, still some have doubt. So last में आया unequivocal proof. Proof given by they use which organisms? Bacteriophage and E. coli bacteria, right? They made bacteria with radioactively labeled S35 bacteriophage. Remember, bacteriophages are labeled with P32 and S35. तो वो एक्सपेरिमेंट स्टार्ट कैसे किया? फर्स्ट दे ग्रू सम दैट bacteriophages in which medium? S35 and P32. Clear? S35 and the which one? P32. And by that way they created this S35 bacteriophages and P32 bacteriophages. फिर कौन सा फर्स्ट स्टेप आएगा? Infection. Allow this radioactively labeled bacteriophages to that infect the bacteria. Next, second step. Blending. Which one? Blending. Blending. Blending से क्या हो जाएगा? Agitation. Agitation से क्या होगा? Separation. Segregated. And last step क्या है? Centrifugation. Centrifugation based on density based gradient, right? In that we get two fractions. Upper fraction we call supernunt, lower we call pellet, right? जिसमें pellet अगर P32 है, which one? P32. तो pellet में क्या मिला होगा? Radioactive, yes or no? P32. So in that pellet gets radioactive. S35 था तो कहाँ पे मिला? Supernunt. Clear? Understand?